Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back to The Big Sweep. It's always a pleasure to have you back in the kitchen with us. Today, we're diving into something that every Instant Pot owner needs to know. We're going to show you some game-changing hacks to keep your Instant Pot sparkling clean. Trust me, these tips will make your life so much easier. If you're like me, you love the convenience of your Instant Pot. But cleaning it, not so much. It can be a bit of a chore, right? Don't worry, I've got you covered. With these tips, cleaning your Instant Pot will be a breeze. First up, let's talk about the lid. This is where a lot of the magic happens, so it's crucial to keep it clean. A clean lid ensures that your meals come out perfect every time. Remove the silicone sealing ring and the anti-block shield. These parts can accumulate a lot of residue over time. The sealing ring can be washed in warm, soapy water or even tossed in the dishwasher. It's dishwasher safe, so why not take advantage of that? For the anti-block shield, give it a gentle scrub with a brush. This will help remove any food particles that might be stuck. Now wash the lid itself with warm, soapy water. Make sure to rinse it thoroughly to remove all soap residue. Make sure to get into all those nooks and crannies. These areas can hide a lot of grime, so don't skip this step. Next, the gasket. This part is essential for maintaining a good seal, so it's important to keep it clean. A dirty gasket can affect the performance of your Instant Pot. Remove it from the lid and give it a good rinse in warm, soapy water. This will help remove any food particles and odors. If it's extra dirty, soak it in a vinegar solution for about 10 minutes. Vinegar is great for breaking down stubborn grime. Rinse thoroughly and let it air dry completely before putting it back. Make sure it's completely dry to avoid any mold or mildew. Now, onto the pot. The stainless steel inner pot is where all the cooking magic happens, and it needs some love too. A clean pot ensures that your food tastes great every time. After each use, wash it with warm, soapy water. This will help keep it in good condition and ready for your next meal. For stuck-on food, a little baking soda and water paste works wonders. This natural cleaner is gentle yet effective. Just scrub gently and rinse well. Make sure to remove all the baking soda residue. For a deep clean, you can even use a vinegar and water solution to remove any stains and odors. This method is great for keeping your pot looking like new. Just bring the solution to a boil in the pot, let it sit for a few minutes, then rinse. This will help remove any lingering smells. Finally, let's not forget the heating element. This part is a bit more delicate, so be careful when cleaning it. A clean heating element ensures that your Instant Pot heats evenly. Make sure the Instant Pot is completely unplugged and cooled down. Safety first. Use a damp cloth to wipe around the heating element. Be gentle to avoid damaging it. Avoid getting it too wet. Just a gentle wipe will do. Excess moisture can damage the heating element. If there are any food particles stuck, use a soft brush to dislodge them. This will help keep the heating element clean and efficient. And there you have it. With these simple cleaning hacks, your Instant Pot will stay in top shape and ready for your next culinary adventure. A clean Instant Pot means delicious meals every time. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more awesome cooking tips and tricks. Your support means the world to us. Thanks for spending time with us today, and we'll see you in the next episode.